Glycolic acid is so harmful to the skin, and so I don't think the ordinary glycolic acid is supposed to be in existence. You are lying. You are a liar. You are a liar. And I'm going to tell you why you are a liar. Hi lovers, my name is Halm, and I'm your host for Skincare Tips with Halm, where I give you nothing but the best tips for a healthy glowing skin. I bring you honest reviews that are nothing abstract. And so if you're new here, I hope you stay with me. If you're old here, thank you for always coming back. Before we get into today's video, please go to like, share, and subscribe. Before I go, don't forget that I'm not here to diagnose. I'm only here to recommend, as well as do not forget that you can't grow skin like you grow wigs when you're going out. To do well, invest in your skin. Let's get straight into today's video, guys.
Melanin girls, that is all I see. Skin so fresh, no they need sunscreen. Body too sweet and they also sexy. They give me appetite and I want to taste.
Welcome back, lovers. So today I want us to talk about the ordinary glycolic acid. Now, glycolic acid on its own is a type of AHA, or is a type of alpha hydroxy acid. There are different types of alpha hydroxy acids, but glycolic acid is a form of an alpha hydroxy acid that exfoliates the skin to give you a luminous glow, to give you a very radiant skin. And so anybody that says glycolic acid toner or glycolic acid is not good for the skin is might probably be speaking lies, because it depends on how you use it, because it really works very well on the skin to give you a very luminous glow. And we're going to talk or go deep and delve and dive into that, so do not go anywhere. I'll be right back. Now let me explain to you how AHAs work. Okay guys, now they work by loosening the top layer of your skin, or the top layer of your cell, or the skin cells. They loosen those cells, or the top layer of your skin cells, like the gluey substance, and then they give room for the next layer of your skin. They give them room to operate. Now let me explain this in a simple way. Now, alpha hydroxy acid, okay, are like dissolvents. Okay, let's say you have utensils or cooking utensils that are dirty, or I don't know how they explain it. The bottom of your cooking utensil is dirty. Now you have clothes that are dirty. Okay. Now your towel, like the floor is dirty. Okay. The surface of your towel or the surface of the floor is dirty. Your clothes are dirty. The bottom of your utensil is dirty. Now, as a dissolvent, you have to pour a little bit on the surface of your towels or in the water of your clothes. Then you put the cloth inside. Now you pour a little bit of the dissolvent onto the bottom of your skin, the utensil that you're about to wash. Give it some time. You realize that every dirt it would soften it. It would dissolve whatever dirt that is on the surface of whatever thing that you're about to wash. Now you just need a little bit of effort to remove whatever stain that is on your utensil, that is on, or in your dress, that is on the surface of your towel, or that is on the surface of your floor. That's how AHAs work. Now after that, realize that after removing the stains or removing the dirt and whatnot from whatever surface, realize that it becomes very new, it becomes very fresh. That is simply how AHAs work. They work by softening and removing the dead skin cells from the layer of the layer of your skin, and giving the next skin cell room to operate. It's simply that. Now, glycolic acid is a form of an AHA, and so whatever AHAs do, glycolic acid does the same, literally the same. Are we clear? Now let's go back to what the ordinary glycolic acid toner really does, as we explain what AHAs do. Yes guys, so the ordinary glycolic acid, okay, contains 7% concentration of glycolic acid that helps to prevent hyperpigmentation, or it helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, sun damage, dark spots, and gives you a clear skin, gives you a very radiant skin tone. How does it work? Like I mentioned, earlier on, it works by removing the dead skin cells from your skin. It's more or less, glycolic acid works just like what's it called? You have a dirty net or a dirty something that's dirty, okay, something that's filled with dirt, and glycolic acid comes in as a detergent or a dissolvent to remove whatever stains, whatever dirt from whatever thing it is. Then after that, it gives you, the thing becomes new again. It's just that your skin is dirty. Your skin is very dirty. So you just need glycolic acid to clear whatever dirt that is. Please, your sponge alone cannot do the exfoliation. So yes, glycolic acid is a form of an exfoliator that removes dead skin cells from the surface layer of your skin, gives your skin a new cell turnover, and then your skin begins to glow. That's simply glycolic acid, what glycolic acid does. And then the ordinary glycolic acid actually has 7% concentration of glycolic acid, and so it helps to remove hyperpigmentation, or helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, sun damage, dark spots, signs of aging. Okay guys, so if there's glycolic and there's ordinary glycolic acid in your house, start using it now. Not because I'm saying it removes dead skin cells from your skin, or your skin is dirty, your skin has been has a lot of dead skin cells, and so you have to rush and go and use the ordinary glycolic acid without knowing how to go about it. Please, I'm going to teach you how to use it to get that glowing skin. So now, for my people with dark underarms, dark inner thighs, dark knuckles, you can use the ordinary glycolic acid to clear that. Now, don't use it and in 2 weeks or in 3 days be expecting to see a result, and if you don't see a result, you come and say Halm is a liar. I am not a liar. You are the liar, because you're deceiving yourself. You've used a product 2 weeks and you want to see improvement. You're not doing miracles here, please. You're not doing miracles here. If you want a miracle, you gotta go to Ubini. Now, if you use it in a month, you should see visible results. Visible results in a month. It doesn't mean in a month whatever problem it is has to vanish. No, you should see visible results in a month. So my people with dark inner thighs, you can use the ordinary glycolic acid toner. Now, the ordinary glycolic acid toner should be used only in the night. Use it only in the evening when you're going to bed. And then after using that, please, I wouldn't recommend that you add any extra thing. Now, you can use it during the day, but if you use it during the day, please do well to use your sunscreen when you use when you use the ordinary glycolic acid. Please do well to use your sunscreen. That is when you use it during the day. But I would advise that you use it only in the evenings. I would advise you use it only in the evenings. Now, you pour a little bit onto a cotton, then you apply onto whichever area that is affected. Okay, you apply onto whichever area that is affected. If you want to use it on your face, I would advise you use it like once or twice in a week. Now, it's suitable for all skin types. Everybody can use the ordinary glycolic acid, unless you have a sensitive skin or your skin is broken. Okay, if your skin is broken or you have a sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend that you use the ordinary glycolic acid. Apart from that, if you don't have any other skin condition, I think it's suitable for you to use it. Now, you use it 3 times in a week. Use it 3 times in a week. Don't use it every day. 3 times in a week, and use it only in the evenings. I would advise that you use it only in the evenings to enhance a very beautiful glow. Do well to look for the ordinary glycolic acid toner today to enhance a luminous glow, to enhance a radiant skin, and to enhance a smooth skin. Guys, do well to get yourself one, and I promise you're going to thank me later. I hope you find this little information useful, and see you guys another time. Bye.